There, don't get excited, these girls are fake. Hey there, visionary creators. Ever wondered how those jaw-dropping earnings of AI influencers like Mil Sofia and Adriana Lopez could be within your reach? Today, we're not just diving into the creation process, we're unlocking the secrets to turning that creation into serious cash. This isn't just for tech wizards, it's for dreamers like you, and it's simpler than you think. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's blow your mind with some numbers. AI influencers are not just creating a buzz, they're raking in thousands, partnering with giants like Fenty Beauty and Harper's Bazaar, earning up to $10,000 for a single post. Now imagine being part of this lucrative game. This video isn't just a tutorial, it's your gateway to potential earnings. We're unleashing the power of AI influencers, and I'm about to show you how you can join the ranks of those earning big in the digital realm. Let's envision the process of crafting an influencer page. Initially, I'll embark on a quest to find a face for our page, but here's the twist: the persona must be entirely fictional. This is where the magic of AI comes into play. If you have a particular face in mind, grab an image from the depths of Google. Choose any picture showcasing a clear, complete face staring directly at the camera. Later on, you'll need to tweak this image using an AI tool called Midjourney. The process kicks off with altering the face, since our AI influencer shouldn't resemble any real person. Utilize their website or Discord link for this task. Head over to Google and seek Midjourney Discord. By clicking on the first link, you can join the Discord server of Midjourney. From the newbies room, simply type "describe" and it'll suggest this prompt. By selecting it, you'll be able to paste the image you downloaded from Google as a reference. Here, I downloaded an image. Just drop the image here like this, and it'll suggest a different face. In my case, we have a match. Just kidding. I actually don't have a free trial, and you'll need a subscription or trial and sign up to have the results from this. But I'm going to opt for a completely different but straightforward option. Being a creator here, I searched 20-year-old fitness influencer face image. It'll take some time and see what I got. By the way, I like the last image the most. So from here, you can download the image. Now the next step. We have a face now, and it's our turn to get targeted images. For this, I'm going to use a completely free AI art creating tool, CRAI. First, you need to log in. I've already done that. So I'm just going to the search bar and type in beard to get the model to create the target images. After scrolling down, I found this one. Okay, so you can try the prompt here. I'm going to change this last part to street in the background. It'll take some time. Here are the results. Perfect. Download these images and some more similar images as targeted images. Here I tried another prompt command and it turned the image into workout outfits. So we have collected all these targeted images here. And there is a third step for the face swapping, which means we will change that face and apply it to the images we collected as targeted images. So to do this first, you'll have to create a server on Discord. So here I'm on Discord. Simply click on this plus icon on the top left corner and do this simple initial selection. I'm choosing the name AI Influencer for it. There you have this pretty easy step. So the next step is to go on the Google search bar and search GitHub Insight Face Swap. From the second link, I'll attach the link in the description. Click on this link, and here is the Discord bot invitation. You're choosing the server I just created, and by clicking on Authorize, we have joined the Discord bot. Here in the top right corner, you can see Insight Face Swap Online. I'm selecting this new AI influencer server and typing Avid. You'll get a prompt here. So simply select this. It'll require an ID name. I'm giving this name Model. You can select whatever you want. So after this, it'll require an image. Keep in mind that we'll have to give the image of the face we want to create our model on. So I'm adding the Bing created image here and simply press enter. There we go. ID has been generated. So next, I'm going to type swap. Here is another prompt suggested. By clicking on it, I'm typing that ID model and pasting any of the targeted images we took from CRAI. Press enter. After waiting a few seconds, it has swapped the face, and here is the result. We can see the difference. Now I'm repeating the process, typing swap once again, selecting the prompt, and typing the ID name model, throwing all targeted images one by one in each repetition. And there we have all swapped images. So now in the next step, we'll have to save all these images one by one. And there we go. All these images have been saved in my folder. And now, first, right-click on the first image. There are some options. Choose Save Image to your PC. Be careful in choosing the path. Here, I saved all the images one by repeating this process, and we have all 5 images. But the problem is, this file type is not suitable. So I'm using onlineconvert.com to convert these files into PNG. You can use any converter here. So I converted all 5 images, and let's check the difference. This is the swapped image, and this is the targeted image. You can clearly notice the difference. Let's open another one. These swapped images have the same face, and no one can tell if it's not real images of a single person. Now these are images in the next step. We'll create a video for the Instagram page of our brand new AI influencer. Here you can download any video on TikTok. I'm using someone's gym video. So next, I'm going to this Google Colab link, an amazing tool thanks to the creator. I'll attach the link below in the description. Here on this link, go on top and run this first. Git clone, click on Run Anyway. Wait until it finishes. Now click on this file icon on the left side and drop the video in source image here. Make sure the name of the image doesn't have any space. Both files will appear there. Now scroll up and click on the second cell. Run this cell below the download model. Wait until it finishes. Scroll down to the last cell. Then copy the path of the image from these 3 dots on the left side and paste it to replace /content as JPG next to the source. Same for the other video too, and run the cell. It'll start downloading the video. This video is 7 seconds long, so it took approximately 6 to 7 minutes. After it runs completely, you'll see a file here on the left side named swapped.mp4. If it doesn't appear by itself, click on this file, refresh it from these 3 dots. I'm going to download this, and here are the results. Better and clearer video for better results. You can use Premiere Pro or any video editing software. Edit this video, changing its background music or whatever you want. Spend some time searching for a better video caption, free, and has a great front look. So in this way, you can create videos for this AI influencer. Now the last step, creating an Instagram page. Here I'm using chat. We can create a name and bio. Here I gave this command here, and it suggested a couple of names. You can choose any of these by your choice. In the same way, I created a cool bio for the Instagram page. This all depends on how much effort you put into creating hyper-realistic videos and pictures for this AI influencer. And you'll be able to create the page like this. Create the page, go viral, and have fun. If you want to learn more about AI and want to compete in this fast-evolving world, subscribe to the channel and check out more here.